In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo Search from Google Chrome. If your Chrome browser keeps using Yahoo when you want Google instead, don't worry. This usually happens because the startup page or the default search engine has been changed. The good news is that you can fix it in just a few moments by checking a few settings inside Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu there. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From that menu, click Settings. This is where Chrome stores all of the options that control how your browser behaves when it opens and how searches work. Once you're in Settings, find and click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome opens when you launch the browser. If the wrong page has been set here, it can make Yahoo appear every time Chrome starts. In the Startup section, choose the option to open a specific page or set of pages. Then click Add a new page. A small box will appear where you can enter the website you want Chrome to open. Type in .google.com, then click Add to save it. This makes Google the page Chrome opens on Startup, which helps prevent Yahoo from showing up automatically. After that, stay in Settings and click on Search Engine. This section controls which search engine Chrome uses when you type into the address bar. If it's currently set to Yahoo, click the selection menu and change it to Google. This is the key step that makes your searches go through Google instead of Yahoo. Next, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Here, you can review the search engines currently saved in Chrome. This gives you a chance to confirm that Google is available and set correctly. You should be able to see that Chrome is now using Google as the default option. Take a moment to review everything once more. Your startup page should now be set to Google, and your default search engine should also be Google. If needed, close Chrome and reopen it to make sure the changes take effect properly. That's it. By updating both the startup settings and the search engine settings, you can remove Yahoo Search from Chrome and get your browser back to using Google the way you want.